Alright, so today we have a bit of a special package from Japan. I'm quite excited about this. I just got it out of the mail. Oh. Yeah, these scissors aren't great. Okay. Alright, there's the Bandai logo. And here we are. So, as you can see, the first anniversary set. This is the Japanese edition. So I am going to open this up. I'm quite excited because the playmat is really cool. And the promo cards are so cool. They released this in English also, but I happened to order the Japanese set first. So it came in, which it's still fine because I guess the only real difference is that the cards themselves are gonna have Japanese writing. And I collect Japanese cards anyways, so it's like not a big deal. Ugh. This box. Damn, this box. This box is quite rough here. Alright, let's see. Alright, let's cut some more. There we go. There we go. Okay. Oh wow, it's a bit heavier than I expected. But look at that. So this is One Piece card game. On the sides, just as One Piece card game. Both sides. Now let's slide this out. So one thing about this is kind of like a cool storage box. So if you look at it, this is Luffy, obviously, like from the hat. This is just a box, One Piece card game, first anniversary. I'll put this over here. And then this is the contents that are inside. So you get 2 packs of sleeves. These blue ones, and then these Luffy ones. I guess the Luffy ones are actually kind of cool. I might put a deck in this. And then you get the playmat, and you get a storage box, and I believe this is where the cards are. So for now, I'm just gonna wrap up or open up the playmat. Put this away. Let's take a look. Wow. Look, because it's like all hollow foil. So I am going to take this out. Oh, interesting. It's side loaded. Up till now, all the Bandai playmats I've had were not side loaded, they were like top loaded. Not really a big deal, but I guess for an observation. And there's that. Now, hopefully this irons out a little bit over time, but let's take a look at like this logo. Like it's literally hollow foil. Like it's crazy. You got the standard material, the rubber cloth, which I actually really like. I think the first ever playmat that I got was a cloth mat, and it was off of recommendation. Because I guess a lot of people like the cloth mats, but personally, I really like the rubber mats. Just, I don't know, I like it. This is cool though. Like I might keep this as like my new. I always keep a playmat as kind of like my desk mat where I put my keyboard on top and stuff. So I might keep this one as that. Now let's take a look at this. Nice and sealed. Alright, so this is the storage box. And here we go. Wow. Okay, let's take this out. So there's 3 cards. Otama, All Dart. This might be something that I get a playset of because it's like such a staple in red. Definitely playset of this Makino. And then the best character, Marco. Oh man, I love all the Marco alt arts, especially because of his Devil Fruit. Like the blue just looks so cool. But yeah, that's just gonna be a quick video. This was the opening. I can't wait for this to come out in English as well. And yeah, thanks for watching.